This math summary is focused on subtraction algorithms when there's a zero place value. What do we do with the zero? Well, when we have numbers that are bigger on the top number that we're subtracting from, there's no problem. We're just taking away zero from that number. For example, 3,642 is taking away 1,001. Well, I've said 2 take away 1 is just 1. 4 tens take away 0 is still 4. 600 take away 0 is still 600, and 3,000 take away 1,000 is 2,000. That's not a problem because my number on the top was bigger. But what about when my number isn't bigger on the top? It's a 0. For example, 7 take away 0, I can do. It's still 7. But what do I do in my algorithm when I come across a 0 take away 7, for example? Let's look at 2 different methods that you can use to solve this. We've got 6 take away 7. I don't have enough. I need to go to the next place value and grab a 10. But when I get there, I see that it's a 0. And next to it's a 0 as well, perhaps. What do I do? Well, I can think about it like this. I can go all the way to my next number, take one of those. So that won't be 4, that will be 3. And that makes 10. But then I take one of those 10 and make this 9 and put my 10 here. Then I take one of those 10 and make it 9 and put 10 here. And now I'm ready. I've got 16. Taking away 7 is 9. And then I can move 90 take away 80 is 10. 900 take away 600 is 300. And 3,000 take away 1,000 is 2,000. Well, I've got exactly the same question here, but a different method to show you. If I've got 6 take away 7, I can't do it. And I do find I've got a 0 and another 0. So what could I do instead of this long method here? Well, I could look at this number, 4,006. 4,000 is actually 400 groups of 10. If I had 400 $10 notes on a table, 400 tens, that would be 4,000. So I can actually put all of this in a box, and I've got 400 tens. I'm going to take one away. It won't be 400, it will be 399 tens left over. And there's the 10 I took. Now I'm ready for 16 take away 7 is 9.
In 5 minutes, you've learned something new. Imagine that times 200. All those core concept lessons are on our site right now, and you can grab the link below. Now let's keep going.
90 take away 80 is 10. 900 take away 600 is 300. 3,000 take away 1,000 is 2,000. Same answer, different method. So you can choose if you prefer to start at the number, make it different, change it, move the tens across, cancel it out, make it 9 and keep going. Or you can box it up, remembering that it is a group of 10. So let's try one more when there's quite a few zeros in my subtraction algorithm and think about what I could do with the boxing up method. If I've got 7 take away 8, I can't do it. So I go here, but it's a 0. I remember that 50 is 50 groups of 10. That's how I get 500. I'm going to take one of those 10s and it won't be 50 anymore. It will be 49. And there's my extra 10, my 50th 10. Now I've got 17 take away 8 is 9. 90 take away 30 is 60. 400 take away 800, I can't do that one. I come here and I've got lots of zeros, but I've got 600. I'm going to change that and make it 599 and put the last one here. Circle it so you know what you're talking about. It's 14 hundreds take away 800 is 600. Now I'm ready for 9,000 take away 5,000 is 4,000. 90,000 take away 40,000 is 50,000, and 500,000 take away 200,000 is 300,000. You see, what I'm looking at is when I get a number like 5,006, I'm remembering that that's 500 groups of 10 to make 5,000. So I cancel this out I make a 499 and I put my last 10 here to make that 16. If it was 308, I remember 300 is 30 groups of 10. I cancel that out. I make it 29 and I put my last 10 here to make this 18. So subtraction algorithms don't need to be tricky. When they're zeros, we just need to know what we're doing with them.